Hello, my amazing creature creators. Welcome back to our third installment of our series, Creating My Own Creature. I am thrilled to have you here as we dive deeper into the world of imagination and designs. As promised in our last part, we will unveil the name of our last creature. Meet Coco. Your suggestions and engagement have been fantastic, so keep those creative juices flowing. Now let's embark on the journey of crafting our next creature. I have been eagerly waiting for the next one. The size of the canvas we will use here is 2048 to 2048 square. Let's dive into. So first we will select our color palette, and today's color palette is vibrant colors. I will play with some oranges. Let's see what we will make and create. Firstly, draw a circle and make it a perfect circle, and then place it near between, lower the center. Adjust your size as per your need. Now go to the wrench and select Edit Drawing Guides and select Symmetry. Shape your creature as per your needs. Select Push to give some shape and dimension to your creature. So this will be the base shape or body shape I'll go with. Now I'll start adding the features of the creature inside the canvas. So firstly, adding with the ears. I'll go with the long kind of ears, adding inside part of the ear. Now I'll go with the eyes, but further you will see I'll remove it because I don't like how it was looking and I was not sure if it will look good. So I'll remove it and go with another feature first. I don't know why I was not liking it, and always I'm messing it a lot. Adding a layer above so I can go without disturbing the other portion. See, I am adding eyes only, but I was not liking it. I was trying that it looks good, but it was not. Ignore the background sounds if it's coming, because I don't know why people are going so loud outside. Now I'm going with the tail because I was not liking the eyes. Again I'll go for a long tail, like a leafy shaped tail. Giving some structure, was not liking it. Then I removed it. Now I'll merge the two layers, and now going with the nose, but again I was not liking the nose also, so I will clear it out and create it again. I don't know why today was not the day for this creature. I think it was not working for me. I created the nose and I again added the eyes, but I was not feeling like it. Then I will remove it and then I'll again create it. You will see further. I don't know why I was messing with the video so much. I'm sorry about that, but it's just like going with the flow. It was not working, so not working. You can remove it, you can add it, you can play with it. I was feeling like it was not looking cute, so I decided to remove it and add it again, and going with the heart, like leaf heart kind of thing. Again adding the eyes. It's not much difference, but yeah, I felt like this was more cute kind of. And again, always forget to add blush at the end of the video. And again I forgot. I added the stomach patch and then going with the paws, so I was in the blush. I always forget why, I don't know, but I always forget to add blush, and then it comes in my mind after the video gets end. So like, yeah, don't mind me. You can add your blush. In this creature I didn't add because I forget, as usual. Now going with the hair kind of structure above the head. You can make any structure, you don't have to be precise about anything. Just let your pencil flow. Ignore the honk if it comes. People are disturbing a lot. I don't know why. And again I messed it up. I don't have to remove the extras in symmetry tool, so select drawing assist and turn it off, and then remove the extra which you don't need. So yeah, going with that, removing all the extras I don't need in the hair, ears and the paws. See, now I'll go with the ears. And I think don't mind my voice also, because my throat is not helping today. It's hurting a lot, but yeah, we'll go with the video. So here, removing the extras, and that's it. And this will be my basic structure or shape for the video, and for not for the video, like for the creature. My bad, sorry. Yeah. So now we'll add some colors to our creature, but again I messed it up. So you need to first close the drawing assist or drawing guide, and then select a layer below this layer, like below the line art, and then select the line art into reference, and then color below the reference layer, like the layer 1, which is not reference but it is below the line art. But I again messed it up and I started coloring in the reference layer, and then I'll remove it whole because I messed it up. You don't have to color in the reference area unless you will not be able to add afterwards details in your creature. So make sure you are coloring below the layer of the reference. You will see me color the whole creature, and then I'll remove it all and then I'll color it again. So you know guys, how can I be not messing up with anything and not doing mistakes? So yeah, again I did it, and you can see it, it's in front of you. So yeah, I'll add details also, and then I'll check and I'll see. I messed it up, see? Then I'll remove whole color. Again I'll go and select the layer below, and then I'll fill it again. And now this time in a correct way, going with the light colors in the smaller areas like stomach and ears kind of, and adding dark to highlight the areas. So the base is light and then adding darker above it, so it will look like colorful but not too gaudy. Adding some small circles like animal patches kind of. And I'll go with a darker shade for the patches. And then filling it up. Going with a brighter orange. Filling it. If you mess it up, you can clear it later, as you can see. Filling each and every circle and then adding some small teeny tiny dots. You will see. I was going for a smudge kind of circles, but it was not working again, so I left it like this because this was also looking cute to me. I hope so you will like this creature at the end. I'll not put too many circles because it will look like I have filled it all with some box or something. I don't want to do that. Adding some darker stomach patch also to make some details. See, you don't need to be precise or you don't need to be correct all the time. You can always go back and remove it, and you always know that you learn with your mistakes. And I don't know why I always do mistakes. My bad. Oh shit. Realizing again, honk. Why? See, I was going with a merge kind of thing, and then it was not working for me. I don't know why. Like, I wanted a gradient kind of to look like it is blended, but it was not working for me, and I was not feeling like, I think it was making and ruining it more, so I don't wanted to do that, so I ended up with this only. Turning off with the reference layer and adding some highlights like details, not highlights, details like eyelashes to make it look more cute. Selecting the drawing assist again and adding the lashes. And now we'll go with the details of the paw. And yeah, that's it. Now we'll go with the shadows and highlights. So adding a layer above the colored layer, making it multiply, and then adding the shadow. Always select the base color. It will darken up by its own. So select your base layer and then draw it, so it will give a shadow effect to it. Adding with the shadows. filling it up. So like the big shadow is done, and I'll add inside the ears and stuff, like small areas wherever it's needed. If you are adding highlights on the right side, then the shadows should be in the left side, and then again if the highlights are in the left, so the shadows should be in the right. And make sure all the highlights are in the same direction and all the shadows are in the same direction. Like focus on right and left, up and down kind of. So you can see my highlights are all towards the right, all towards the left, and then my shadows are all towards the right. So adding the shadows to the right side, and then I'll add the highlights towards the left side, if it's more clear to you. If you'll add like in uneven directions, it will look bad. It will look like you don't know shadow and highlight theory. Now adding up with the highlights, going with the white. I was thinking to add with the drawing guide, so it will come equally on each sides, but I forget that if I'll do that, it will come one in left and one in right, so then manually did it. Adding some highlights to the eyes, nose, and that's it. I was thinking to add highlights, but it was removing it, so it was not looking good. So I left it up like that. Now I'll merge the layers, and I think that's it with the creature of today. So what an incredible journey it has been, and it's only going to get better. Thank you for joining in on the fun and for all your fantastic suggestions. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Your support means the world to me. Until next time, happy creating. Signing up. The creature and will end it. I hope you love it, and don't forget to give him or her a cute name. Suggest me in the comments down below, and I'll make sure to give and reveal his name or her name in the next part. Bye bye.